In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change message layout on Yahoo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, get to your inbox, and choose the layout that makes reading and managing emails faster and more comfortable for you. First, open your web browser and go to Yahoo's sign-in page. If you see your account listed, click it to continue. If not, type in your email address and proceed. On the next screen, enter your password to sign in. Depending on your security settings, you might be asked to verify your identity, so just follow the on-screen prompts. Take your time here and make sure you're using a trusted device and network. Once you're signed in, you'll land on Yahoo's homepage. Look toward the top of the page and click Mail to open your inbox. This brings you into Yahoo Mail, where you can adjust how your messages are displayed. Inside Yahoo Mail, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon, which opens settings. Click that gear to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel gives you a convenient way to tweak the look and feel of your inbox without diving into deeper menus. In the Quick Settings panel, find the Layout section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see visual options for how your message list and the reading area are arranged. The No Preview option shows only your message list, which is great if you like a clean, compact view and prefer opening messages one at a time. The right preview option splits the screen vertically, with your message list on the left and the email content on the right, so you can quickly scan and read without switching pages. The bottom preview option splits the screen horizontally, placing the reading pane below your list. This can be more comfortable if you're used to classic desktop mail layouts. Click the layout that looks best to you and watch your inbox update instantly. Try scrolling through a few emails to see how it feels. If you're on a smaller laptop, the no preview or bottom preview might feel less cramped. If you're on a wider monitor, the right preview usually makes great use of the space. You can change this anytime, so don't hesitate to experiment until it feels just right. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open mail, click the settings gear, tap layout, and pick the view you prefer. With the right layout, you'll move through your inbox more quickly and keep your focus where it matters. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Yahoo Mail.